Which golf cart heater is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the right answer. Today, we're breaking down the top options to keep you cozy on the course. Product number 1. Mr. Heater Golf Cart 4000 BTU. First up is the Mr. Heater Golf Cart 4000 BTU Radiant Propane Heater. At $59.99, it caught my eye with its solid rating of 4.4 stars from over 6,000 reviews. If you want reliable warmth while you ride, this is worth a serious look. This heater emits a powerful 4000 BTU/HR, warming up to 100 square feet for about 5.5 hours on a standard 1-pound propane cylinder. That means you can comfortably enjoy your game without freezing. The heater also has a rough terrain resistant tip switch, so you won't have to worry about it shutting off unexpectedly during a ride. It's designed for easy use on the course, giving you a convenient heating solution when temperatures drop. Now, some users complained about needing to replace the propane more often than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about golf and often find yourself playing in chilly weather, the warmth this heater provides might just outweigh the inconvenience of refilling. This is perfect for you if you frequently play in colder weather and want a simple heating solution. Skip this one if you're looking for electric options or plan to use it in enclosed spaces. Now, if the propane aspect isn't your thing, the next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, TUYU Heated Golf Cart Seat Cover, Blue. Next, we have the TUYU Heated Golf Cart Seat Cover in blue, priced at $40.88. With a solid 4.3-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews, this caught my attention for its unique approach to heating. This seat cover comes with embedded heating pads on both sides, providing warmth directly where you need it most. It connects easily to a power bank, so you can keep cozy while driving your golf cart. Plus, it features 3 temperature settings, which is perfect for adjusting to your comfort level. The non-slip rubber design ensures it stays securely in place, so you won't have to deal with a sliding blanket while you're trying to focus on your game. Some users mentioned that it takes a little time to warm up fully. But honestly, once it gets going, that warmth can make your chilly rounds much more enjoyable, especially if you're someone who tends to get cold easily. This is perfect for you if you enjoy a warm seat during your rounds and have a power source available. Skip this one if you're not keen on using a power bank while you golf. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a different kind of heating experience. Product number 3, Putt Laser Electric Golf Cart Heater. Coming in third is the Putt Laser Electric Golf Cart Heater, priced at $49.99. This one has a 4.4-star rating based on 83 reviews, and it's known for its quick heating capabilities. This heater uses advanced carbon fiber technology to provide instant warmth in just 3 seconds. It's designed for 48V golf carts, eliminating the hassle of propane tanks and the risks of carbon monoxide. It connects directly to your cart's battery, giving you a continuous and reliable heat source while you play. The adjustable 360 degrees rotation feature allows you to direct heat exactly where you need it, making it super convenient. However, it does require hardwiring, which some users found a bit complicated. But here's the thing. If you're willing to put in that initial effort, you get a maintenance-free heater that works every time you need it. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful electric option and don't mind the installation. Skip this one if your cart uses a lower voltage battery or you're looking for something that's plug and play. Now, if you're seeking something portable, the next product might just catch your eye. Product number 4, Sonaga's 6800 BTU Golf Cart Heater. Next up is the Sonaga's 6800 BTU Golf Cart Heater, priced affordably at $24.99. With a 4.6-star rating from 40 reviews, this heater really impressed me with its versatility. This propane heater delivers a powerful 6,800 BTU output, ensuring you stay warm even in the chilliest conditions. The compact design makes it portable, allowing you to use it not just in your golf cart, but also for camping, fishing, or other outdoor activities. Plus, it comes with a cup holder mount, so you can easily install it in your cart or use it freestanding. Some people mention that it can take a bit of time to set up, which can be frustrating. But honestly, for the price and the portability it offers, I think it's a small price to pay for the warmth and flexibility you get. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that's easy to take anywhere. Skip this one if you're specifically looking for an electric heater. Alright, that was an amazing option. But let's see how this last one stacks up. Product number 5. TUYUU Heated Golf Cart Seat Cover, Gray. Last but not least, we have the TUYUU Heated Golf Cart Seat Cover in gray, also priced at $40.88. This is the same great product as the other TUYUU seat cover, but in a stylish gray color. Like its blue counterpart, it features embedded heating pads and 3 temperature settings for customizable comfort. It's designed to fit all major golf cart brands like EasyGeo and Yamaha, ensuring you stay warm while you enjoy your game. The non-slip backing keeps it securely in place, which is a huge plus. Some users commented that the heating isn't as intense as they expected. Here's the thing though. If you're looking for something to take the chill off rather than a full-on heater, this is a great option. This is perfect for you if you play in cooler weather and want an easy-to-use seat cover. Skip this one if you need something that heats up super intensely. In terms of value, it really delivers with its comfort and warmth for the price. So there you have it. The Mr. Heater provides a powerful heat source, while the TUYUU heated seat covers offer comfort and warmth directly where you sit. The Putt Laser electric heater is a fantastic electric option, and the Sonagas gives you versatility for outdoor use. Finally, the gray TUYUU seat cover is a stylish companion for chilly days. You can't go wrong with any of these choices, depending on your specific needs.